Welcome everyone to the foothills of Sierra Nevada, also known as the gateway to the Sequoia National Park. Specifically where we're sitting here, Visalia, California. I'm Diana Henry, and joining me today, Mark Scroggins, owner of MDS Construction, Brandon Summers, USG Field Sales Rep, and Danny Galindo, Superintendent for MDS Construction. Guys, welcome. Thanks for joining me.
Thank you very much for having us.
So Mark, let's start with you on the hot seat.
Okay.
Tell us about your background.
I've been working in this business basically well over 60 years. And I learned all aspects of the business, from installation to distribution to manufacturing to builder to contractor. There's a need for real professional contractors because a lot of contractors fly by the seat of their pants, and that's why the business actually started. We've grown exponentially to approaching 70 associates.
So talk about the services that you offer.
We're deemed a high residential volume contractor. We install drywall board, we tape texture, and we also do painting as well. That's all by design because I want to keep it in-house. I don't subcontract anything out.
In 12 months is going to be, I think, a little over 1,200 homes, if I'm not mistaken. And so you're talking about, that's 100 houses a month. And when you talk about business days at 20, that's 5 houses a day, right?
Doing the math there.
That's 5 houses a day that are getting done. And so when you do 5 houses a day, in terms of what USG thinks of that, 5 houses is 3 trucks of drywall.
How does USG fit into that accountability, and how do they meet those visions and align with your culture that you've set the stage here for?
I thought about, how can I differentiate myself? How can I be, just not another drywall guy? What my competitors do is they piecemeal the product. They have X manufacturer for board, X manufacturer for mud. They have X manufacturer for bead. And speaking with Brandon, he transitioned into USG, and he goes, "Hey man, I got a good deal for you." And I go, "Okay, what is it?" And he goes, "What about being a single source?" And I go, "That works." That's kind of how this relationship started and how it's blossoming.
I gotta ask then, how does that feel for you sitting next to me?
It feels
no
good.
pressure at all, Brandon.
It's awesome. I always say in this business, you can't build a doghouse without an issue, right? This is construction. There's going to be an issue from when you're talking about building houses or structures from ground up. So it's not about is there going to be an issue. It's about how do we handle it. And to Mark's point, that's what I've tried to do at USG is provide that service of being able to handle issues, myself along with our team. All the way from our technical support to our guys with boots on the ground in the field.
Brandon's one of the first guys, either a call or a text, and pretty much gets back to me within an hour. If he doesn't answer right away, the support is there. USG is huge, and you feel the support. I worked at other companies too, and there was pretty much no support. Had to call 2-3 guys just to get a hold of somebody, and for them to come out, it was just a problem. And with USG, we don't have that problem. They'll come the next day or within a few days, and we have an answer. And that's pretty much what separates them from everybody right now.
How do we get guys like MDS, Danny, the guys in the field to buy into that? We got to set ourselves apart, and that's our people. And what I think USG does really well, and it resonates with our customers, is they empower their people, like myself and Faye and Noe, our field guys, and our whole team to go do this, get out there and go do this, go sell yourself, and know that you've got this global giant, pushing you, behind you, supporting you.
Yeah, rowing the boat.
Yeah. His guys have told us out in the field, like, this is why we like your product, your mud, your whatever, your board. We have taken that real life testimony and used it to help convert other guys over to our product, which is why I'm so vested in MDS, because it's helped me, and I hope that we have helped Mark as well. And I think we've tried by being invested in his business. So
It's been a good ride, and I feel like it will continue to be a good ride. They're going to be part of my portfolio.
Mark's helped me in my career, and I've helped him, and we bounced a lot of things off each other over the last several years, and I've been here from minute one supporting him personally and professionally, and that's not going to waver at all. I think it's awesome. I'm excited to see where these guys go. He's got great people working for him. I knew that they were going to grow, they were going to be successful, and I wanted to ride that wave.